Breaker, Goose Lake, and Rosenort.
I'm that's the X on, yeah.
Aaron Coop has 3 goals and 2 assists. And Stuyvesant Regional Dakota Lancers 5.
There's something wrong with that door.
In another
It needs to get looked at.
Travis Hensrud and Dawson Milliken each had a goal and an assist. And Paul Solomon had 14 saves as the Stuyvesant Pistons blanked the Winnipeg Braves 6-0. Now that's Nova female U18 AAA hockey league. Jenna Fallon has a lone goal for the Eastman Select with a 5-1 loss to Winnipeg Ice. Now that's Nova
Sweetie,
U18
wash your hair.
the Winnipeg Thrashers.
I washed my hair like 2 days ago.
Hi,
Jackie.
Are you doing your property?
I don't know. Hi, Jackie.
You have to take the shampoo and work it in.
I do that. I do work it in. Hey, baby. You wanna eat? Wormy cat?
Manitoba champions Zachary Ross selected the 4-0 record and Lisa Bergeron
Whoa.
won
Okay,
the 2022
stop.
Everest Throwing Club championship at the Ice Palace at the